I'm going to be showing you how to dribble in eFootball 2026. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you're actually in the game, and once you've done so, you just need to match. And then if you're using a joystick, then you need to use your left stick, which is the most important part. You just need to move the left stick slowly, which gives close control and better turning, and don't push it too hard, you'll lose the ball. And then you just need to control dribbling. Just hold the dash or sprint lightly or not at all, and then move slowly near defenders and wait for them to commit. So it's best for tight spaces. You can also sprint dribble by holding R2 or RT. Use only when you're in open space or beating defender with pace. So some of the common mistakes with dribbling is that you sprint all the time, so just don't do that, and don't dribble into defenders or overusing skill moves. You can also just use simple combos like move slowly, wait, change direction, and accelerate away. So that's how easy it is to dribble in eFootball 2026. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.